Prolonged fasting and autophagy, your body's natural way of cleaning house. Prolonged fasting is a hot topic these days because of its amazing benefits. It's a fast way to start weight loss. You can reduce belly fat, reset your metabolic health, and enhance your mental clarity and energy. But cell rejuvenation is the most profound benefit. In fact, the 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded for discoveries about that process, called autophagy. The process starts when you do a prolonged fast or a fasting mimicking diet. As your cells stop sensing food, your body literally turns to itself for nourishment. But that's a good thing. As your cells are in fasting mode, they gather their old, worn-out parts like organelles and misfolded proteins and digest them. Then amino acids and other molecules are released, which help your cells recycle, reuse, and clean the old, worn-out parts and rejuvenate themselves. It's your body's natural way of cleaning house and rejuvenating, which supports healthy aging and wellness. Think of it as a pit stop for your body. Just as a pit stop optimizes a race car's performance, prolonged fasting and autophagy can do the same for you.